Hey everyone, welcome to BioRef Digital. So what is SEO? How does SEO work? Can SEO help you grow your business? We will look at all the answers in today's video, but before we proceed, please do not forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel BioRef Digital to never miss a video on digital marketing here at BioRef Digital. So let's end the wait right here and let's get started. SEO for business growth is a very important marketing strategy which helps drive traffic to your website or to your content. And more the traffic, more the leads, and more the chances of conversion, which will eventually lead to more business. SEO helps Google and other search engines to identify how the users are viewing your website and your content, what is their experience, what is their feedback. And this all is done in the form of user experience that is captured by Google for every page and every website a user visits on the internet. So the better your SEO strategy, the better would be the user experience, which would give Google an impression that your content, your website is trustworthy, is dependable, and provides relevant information for the terms or the phrases that people are searching on Google or any other search engine, which will eventually lead to higher rankings of your website or your content in Google SERP. If you want to rank higher in Google SERP, you should consider SEO as an integral part of your digital marketing strategy. When you optimize your website for SEO site structure, you can actually create credibility for your website and gain backlinks from other sources, which would be very relevant and very helpful in ranking your site or your page higher in Google search. SEO for business growth works by attracting more and more relevant traffic to your website, which ultimately leads to more and more relevant leads for your business, leading to more conversions. And how does SEO work? SEO works by ensuring that your website is indexable to the best search engines, your content is more user friendly and is in lines with the trending topics that users are looking for in the internet. SEO ensures that the individual pages of your website are optimized, which collectively lead to a higher ranking of your website and drives more relevant traffic. And do you know, friends, SEO is your most potent marketing tool because it helps you to build your business exclusively, reach out to more targeted audience, generate such content which are relevant to the searches of the users, build more traffic, and grow your business to the best possible extent. And friends, to make your SEO strategy work for you in the best possible way and help you grow your business, you must choose a very reliable SEO company just like BioRef Digital. Because friends, an intelligent digital marketing strategy will always use SEO as a key factor to drive other marketing aspects. Because friends, an intelligent digital marketing strategy will always use SEO as a key factor to drive other marketing aspects. And for that, you need to first understand where your target audience is and what they are looking for while they search for your business on the internet. Only then you would be able to shortlist the most potent and relevant keywords for your business and for your content and place them accordingly at the important points so that your content and your website overall comes up in the search ranking of Google. So with all this information, we see that SEO services in digital marketing are a very valuable investment which would definitely give you good results if it is done properly. And for that, once again friends, you will need a reliable digital marketing partner, a digital marketing agency just like BioRef Digital. So friends, I'm sure you have been able to derive some value out of this video and some of your questions are definitely answered through this video which you were looking for. But do not forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel BioRef Digital to never miss an important tip, trick and video on digital marketing here on BioRef Digital. See you soon friends. Till then, stay happy, stay safe and stay tuned to BioRef Digital.